Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today I'm gonna be decorating some little gift bags. Now this is perfect if you wanna give someone some money, maybe your grandkids or niece, nephew, or anything like something tiny or maybe like a secret message. So I have a bunch of these. I ordered a huge box and it was the wrong size and it was a while until I realized, so I couldn't return them. So I thought it would be a really good idea to design them. First, I'm gonna do a From Santa sentiment from this really awesome Christmas sentiment stamp set that I got recently. Powder dust it a little bit, and then with the Versamark, I'm gonna stamp it twice because it's better to be safe than sorry. And you can kind of see the glue, but once I go in with the second stamp, it will be much more visible. So that is almost done. And look at that. Much more visible, stronger. Coffee filter. Why? Because the embossing powder does not stick to it. I'm going to be using a red one today. The red tinsel. I usually buy these at Joann's when they send me coupons. But sometimes you can find them on sale. Really good. Looks really, really good. You can see that everything got stuck to it really strong. Let me just clean this out so you can see that there is no leftover. See, it's clean. Nothing goes to waste. I'm gonna heat up my heat gun a little bit. And then just heat it up a tiny bit from the back, because sometimes when I just go straight into the embossing powder, it blows away some parts. So I think heating up from the back, it kind of melts it to it, so it gets stickier, if that makes sense. Then I have this die from a white glitter page, so I thought that was gonna be enough sparkle, but no, I had to go in with a pearl metallic gold, and I'm just gonna paint that little top part that's supposed to be gold. It's gonna give it like an extra nice color. It's a little bit of accent. Looks very pretty. Yeah, this glitter paper is not as absorbent as regular paper, so I'm gonna have to let that dry a little bit and start my second one. I'm gonna make a couple of these videos, and I'm gonna put 2 in each. I have this background element, and I have this vision for this, but apparently it's not big enough, but it's alright. I want to test out this metallic paste that I bought on Amazon, metallic polish. So I don't know, maybe it only works on bigger stamp that's more flat. This is beautiful. I have so many of this. And on the top we have a sponge. So I had this vision thinking that it would leave very nice shiny stripes. That was not the case. But I'm glad I tested it out and not on a card. So yeah, it was not coming on very easily. I'm just dabbing it along the lines, but it goes into the creases a lot. So let's see what the first one does. And with the sleeve, it's so much easier. Your hand just glides. Sometimes I even just use a napkin. I don't like it, so I'm going in with layer number 2. So much easier with the sleeve. Still not good. I was really hoping to have like super shiny, but the lines are really thin, so that could be it. So 3 layers. I'm just gonna leave it at that. And then I have these pre-cut snowflakes, and I'm holding down the part that's gonna hang off to make sure I don't put glue on there, and just a little bit here and there. What I like about these tiny little pockets is that you can literally decorate with anything. anything, some stamps, some colors, some shading, dyes. So on this one, it's more detailed. I'm putting glue on every little bit that could possibly flicker off and then rip. We don't want that. I thought it was a little bit not shiny enough, so I grabbed the metallic silver and I'm gonna paint over those little circles. It's gonna give it a nice little shine, details, make that snowflake pop a little bit. I could have put rhinestones on it, but then I thought it would be too much because I'm also gonna put some on that empty space. So this one did not turn out as well as I liked it, but it was still cute once I added the rhinestones. I think this one I got on Aliexpress. It's super sticky, but I like to buy these at the Dollar Tree. I bought some, like it was like midsummer, and they had a ton of different colors and shapes and sizes, and I bought a ton. So back to my first one. This dried, and I'm gonna put a knot over that little hanger, and we're just gonna glue this right here in the bottom. Where's my glue? There you go. And just putting it all over the place. It's a pretty solid, thick, durable paper stock, so it's definitely not gonna rip off. And then I'm also putting a little bit of glue on the string to make it look like it's hanging nicely, and it doesn't cover much of the sentiment. That's what I like about it. A little bit of glue here too, and I'm gonna fold it in over. That's okay, the glue will dry and it will not be visible. And this too, and then just have to cut off the end. And that's it. That was easy. I love these little pockets. It's so easy to create something with it. If you put a big sentiment on it, heat emboss it, it's gonna give it such a nice wow factor to it. A little bit sparkly, very cute, very easy to make. Hope you like this little idea, and I wish you a great holiday month.